1. Currently available for sale is a unique 1982 Toyota Tercel CE Sedan 4D, and the owner is asking for $5,500. This vintage car has traveled 20,885 miles and provides an amazing opportunity to add style and uniqueness to your car collection. This Tercel stands out from most of its contemporaries as it is equipped with front-wheel drive, making it a rare specimen among modern cars. The owner has made several upgrades to enhance its performance and appearance. New hubs and wheel bearings, new front wheel brake rotors and pads, as well as brand new tires contribute to the overall reliability and safety of this car. Additional improvements include a new exhaust manifold and a Flowmaster 10 series muffler with side pipes, giving this Tercel a unique style and sound. A complete technical maintenance and carburetor adjustment with a working electric choke have been performed. The radiator and heater core have been flushed multiple times to ensure the efficient operation of the heating system. This car is also equipped with new wiper blades, LED lights, and other updates, emphasizing its functionality and convenience. Despite being 41 years old, it impresses with its stable performance, and its characteristic dents add a unique charm. The clutch is tight and the steering is normal. This 1982 Toyota Tercel CE Sedan 4D is the perfect choice for those who appreciate unique classic cars with history and character. 2. Currently available for sale is a restored 1985 Toyota Land Cruiser, priced at $114,995. The vehicle has covered 167,020 miles and is in excellent condition, with no significant damage or issues. This Land Cruiser underwent a 3-year restoration process by Land Cruiser Specialties in Oregon City, Oregon. The result is a true gem with unique features and outstanding characteristics. The exterior of the car stands out with its cement gray color, complementing the engine compartment. There are no signs of rust or previous bodywork. Additional exterior elements include an ARB front bumper with a worn 10K winch, ARB Solis 21 lights, a custom rear bumper, and a roof rack. The interior of the car has also been modified with complete soundproofing, a new headliner and seat upholstery, LED interior lighting, a Pioneer audio system, a locking console, and other details. Comfortable seats, heated mirrors, and a freezer create a pleasant atmosphere in the cabin. The chassis and engine have undergone thorough maintenance. The front and rear axles have been fully rebuilt. An Old Man Emu suspension system has been installed. The main brake master cylinder has been replaced, and the steering box has been rebuilt. New BFG KO2 tires, along with frame coating for maximum protection, ensure reliability on the road. This Land Cruiser is equipped with several additional options, including cruise control, a powerful air conditioner, and a sound signal system. As a result of the work and updates carried out, this car represents an excellent combination of reliability, style, and functionality. 3. Currently available for sale is a 1970 Chevrolet Impala priced at $5,500. The car has covered 178,000 miles, features an automatic transmission, and has an exterior color of gray with a black interior. The car comes with a clean title and has no significant damages or issues. The current owner began the process of replacing the engine with a 4.8 liters Chevy Tahoe, but decided to pass on this project to a more experienced individual. Handling it independently became challenging, especially without access to a garage. All necessary components to complete the engine replacement are already available, including new motor mounts and spacers, a turbo 350 transmission with a new flex plate and spacer, a new torque converter, oil, and an oil filter, as well as a new battery with a warranty. All original parts, including the SBC 350, are also included. The car promises to become a beautiful project after completing the engine replacement, considering the work that has already been done. Despite some surface rust, the car holds the potential to become a fantastic vehicle in the future. 4. Currently available for sale is a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo priced at $15,550. The car has traveled 75,653 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features a blue exterior with a gray interior. The vehicle has a clean title and does not have any significant damages or issues. This 1972 Monte Carlo is powered by a small block 350 engine, coupled with a turbo 350 transmission, and is a matching numbers car. It is equipped with power-assisted brakes, a 10-bolt differential, and has come from another state without any signs of rust. The car possesses a clean title, which is available. This Monte Carlo runs excellently and carries all lighting, sound, and heating functions. The air conditioner is present in the car, but is not connected. The car has been recently tuned, and a 3-core aluminum radiator has been added. There is a dent on the driver's side fender, but apart from that, the paint is old but shines beautifully. 5. For sale is a restored 1975 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab for $18,000. The vehicle has covered 300 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior color is orange, and the interior is black. The car has a clean title and does not have any significant damages or issues. This C10 with a clean title has undergone a complete restoration, including the replacement of all parts. Its small block 350 engine with the Delbrock E-Street heads and camshaft provides power. The car is also equipped with an upgraded control system, including power windows, door locks, and seats, Dakota digital gauges, as well as Willwood disc brakes both front and rear. The interior has been fully renovated but requires completion. Externally, the car features a finished, beautiful paint job, but there are a few details that need to be completed, such as the trim on the rear door. Some electrical work also requires completion. This Silverado provides a unique opportunity to acquire a stylish and powerful truck, needing only some finishing touches. 6. A well-maintained 1984 Mercedes-Benz 300 SDL is available for sale at $5,900. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on diesel fuel. The exterior color is blue, and the interior is gray. The vehicle is in good condition. This original 1984 Mercedes-Benz 300 SDL with California license plates is being sold with a clean title, service history, and does not require emissions testing. The approximate mileage is around 250,000 miles. The car serves as an excellent classic daily driver. It starts and moves without issues. The paint looks good for its age, although the interior requires some attention to reach its ideal condition. The drivetrain is in good condition, and the car runs and shifts as intended. There are no fluid leaks, and recent maintenance has been performed, totaling over $3,000. All essential functions, such as air conditioning, sunroof, windows, and central locks, work properly. However, the odometer is not functional, so the actual mileage is unknown. There are some minor issues that can be addressed by the future owner or left in its current condition. 7. For sale is an excellent condition 1985 BMW 3 Series priced at $6,500. The car is equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior color is silver and the interior is black. This BMW 325e with a clean title has had 2 previous owners and is in excellent condition. The car is fully functional and has undergone a series of updates, including a new radiator, drive belts, water pump, thermostat, timing belt, odometer gears, coolant hoses, brake pads, and fluid. Bilstein and H&R suspension have been installed. Thorough technical maintenance has been performed, including the replacement of all lubricants. The air conditioner works perfectly, and all power windows and mirrors are electrically operated. The original tools come with the car. There are a few minor dents and scratches and slight wear on the roof. To comply with safety standards, the seller offers to undergo technical maintenance upon request. 8. A unique opportunity to acquire the stunning 1974 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, showcased for sale at $14,500. This vehicle, with a mileage of 160,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in a stylish red exterior and interior. This discovery, the 1974 fleet-side short bed C10, comes with numerous updates and enhancements. At the heart of this beauty is a 354-bolt foundation complemented by a drive system from the 90s. The Edelbrock carburetor has been rebuilt, and a matching intake manifold has been installed. The owner has prioritized reliability and safety by installing new brakes and a brake booster, along with aligning it with new shocks and a stabilizer. The car features new wiring and updated door mechanisms. Transmission restoration work has also been carried out on the Turbo 350, including the installation of a shift kit. The interior is rated by the seller at 6 out of 10 points, indicating some wear, but the overall appearance remains attractive. Despite a few sink spots on the body, the seller asserts that it's still a robust C10. There is also a set of leaf springs to restore the height to factory levels. Currently, the car is not in working condition, emitting white smoke from the right pipe, but it exhibits erratic engine behavior. The seller provides a detailed list of additional parts and expresses a willingness to consider trades for various models. If you're seeking a unique project or wish to own a stylish vintage car with potential, this 1974 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed might be what you're looking for. 9. Here's an excellent opportunity to acquire a 1969 Ford Mustang, currently listed for sale at $6,000. This car, painted in green with a black interior, presents an exciting project for those willing to invest time and effort into its restoration. The car is in fair condition with a clean title, and it has no significant damage or issues. Efforts have been made to update the starter, battery cables, and solenoid. The engine has been successfully started and sounds great, but currently the car won't start, presumably due to the need for a new flywheel. The vehicle is suitable for a project and comes with many interior parts. It has been stored under a car cover for 2 years, so despite some mentioned flaws, it remains in excellent shape, and the title is clean. Considering the new details and a rich supply of interior components, this 1969 Ford Mustang provides a unique opportunity to take on a project with history. With minor investments and a pre-prepared list of parts, this Mustang could become a fantastic project for those seeking a car with character and potential. 10. Here's a great opportunity to become the owner of a stylish 1961 Chevrolet Impala, currently listed for sale at $67,500. This stunning resto mod version of the Impala is a fantastic blend of classic style and modern enhancements, making it an appealing choice for true car enthusiasts. With only 685 miles on the odometer, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission. The powerful 350 engine, paired with a 704 overdrive transmission, ensures excellent performance. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system guarantees efficient engine operation. This Impala also offers driver comfort and convenience, including a vintage air conditioning system, CPP 4-wheel disc brakes with Wilwood master cylinder and power booster, digital gauges, and power steering. The new 2.5 exhaust system with headers creates an impressive sound, and the aftermarket stereo system adds a musical accent. This Impala boasts an attractive exterior with a beautiful red paint job and a tan interior. The owner highlights the straight bodywork and a set of 18 wheels in the front and 20 wheels in the rear in a torque thrust style. With a clean title, no significant damage, and no issues, this 1961 Chevrolet Impala Resto Mod is ready to be an outstanding cruiser for those who appreciate style, performance, and modern upgrades in a classic car.